are honored to have with us today one of the most charismatic personalities, our chief guest, Ms. Harpreet Kaur Taneja ma'am. She is the founder director, Weaving Synergies, and founder president of FLC Empowering Women. Harpreet ji is an inspiration for all of us, especially for every woman. She is one of the most humble and down-to-earth persons I have ever met in my life. I mean it, ma'am. Weaving Synergies is working with a vision to have an empowered society by introducing jaw-dropping success stories of the influential people in its magazine. It owns 3 online groups and pages with more than 30,000 people connected. Having you here today is a great privilege and is like we are having a powerhouse of strength, success and wisdom. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion. Our special guest, Anuradha Chawla ma'am, is founder, director and principal, Little Step School and Alfred Nobel Kids Campus. She is a renowned educationist of Faridabad with an experience of 15 years. A visionary leader who is committed to provide students with the best possible education and ensuring their success in all aspects of life. She is successfully running her own chain of schools. Ma'am, still there is a lot to learn from you. If every woman has this courage, determination and strength, then no one can stop her to be independent. We are honored to have you here. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion. I also welcome our esteemed parent fraternity and the heart and soul of Renathon, my lovely children. वेलकम टू जीत उत्सव। आज ये उत्सव है ब्रेनेथॉन की 5 सालों की जर्नी को सेलिब्रेट करने का। यस, आई एम सो थ्रिल्ड, ecstatic, excited and super happy to share that Brenethon has completed 5 years in 2023. हमारी पहली पंचवर्षीय योजना पूरी हो गई। Isn't it exciting? 5 साल फेलियर के बाद सक्सेस के, 5 साल चैलेंजेस के बाद अपॉर्चुनिटीज के, 5 साल विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के, 5 साल प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों के अनमोल प्यार के और 5 साल पेरेंट्स के सपोर्ट एंड ट्रस्ट के। These 5 years are the most precious years of my life. So thank you so much everyone present here for making Brenethon what it is today. Every passing year was full of new challenges and the biggest challenge was COVID. But we sailed through it and today celebrating 5th anniversary of Brenethon. The name of annual day is Jeet Utsav 2.0. Why 2.0? Because we are able to sustain and maintain this celebration of Jeet for the 2nd consecutive year. Last year, when we planned to have an award function, it was the first time for us और ये नहीं पता था कि नेक्स्ट ईयर करेंगे या नहीं और पोस्ट कोविड एरा में कितना सस्टेन कर पाएंगे। But when I have so much loving बच्चा पार्टी and so supportive parents fraternity, then ये कैसे होता कि हम जीत उत्सव 2.0 ना सेलिब्रेट कर पाते। ये ब्रेनेथॉन फैमिली की जीत का उत्सव है। शायद मुझे ये कहने की जरूरत नहीं कि ब्रेनेथॉन का हर एक स्टूडेंट, हर एक पेरेंट और हर एक टीचर और हर एक फ्रेंचाइजी ब्रेनेथॉन फैमिली का ही पार्ट है। Today we are celebrating the Utsav of Jeet over the biggest fear of a child, that is fear of maths and calculation, right? Yes. Yes, children overcame their fear and performed tremendously well in the 5th national level Abacus Olympiad organized by Brainathon. We are celebrating their victory today. The victory of our dearest students is the victory of Brainathon. Brainathon achieved another milestone in the journey from Jeet Utsav 1 to Jeet Utsav 2, and that is the launch of our first play school. Yes, I am highly delighted to announce and share with you all that this year in July 2023, we launched our first preschool by the name Brainathon Kids Play School. I never thought seriously that the journey that started from my drawing room will reach here, that today so many students have come from outside of Faridabad. Many have come from trains and flights in morning and have return tickets in the evening. To name a few, Pune, Bangalore, Muzaffarnagar, Rewari, Bhiwani, Noida, Ghaziabad, Mumbai, and etc. People have come from all these cities. So special thanks to all those who have taken so much pain and making this Brainathon Jeet Utsav a success. So I completely dedicate the success of Brainathon and this program to all of you sitting here. All this is possible just because our teachers are working relentlessly to make our online classes the perfect learning platform for the children. So I can say that Brainathon family is spread across all over India. अब मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, ये जीत उत्सव है या नहीं है? Yes, it is Jeet Utsav in true sense. The 5th year has been really phenomenal as we started 6 franchisees in last 1 year. In the cities, national capital Delhi, Bangalore in Karnataka, Ahmedabad in Gujarat, Ghaziabad in UP, Faridabad in Haryana, and Pune in Maharashtra. So this is how we are covering 6 states now. If you remember in last award function, जो भी लोग last award function में भी आए थे, on 8th January 2023, I mentioned that we are starting to expand in the direction of franchising. And today I am standing here sharing with you all that we have started 6 franchises in just 10 months. So this is again a Jeet Utsav for celebrating the women empowerment. How women empowerment? Let me tell you that all of the franchisees are owned by the women and mostly housewives. And all of them are doing so good within just 1 year. So I can proudly say that Brainathon has created women entrepreneurs. जब कोई franchisee ये बोलते हैं कि मैम आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट नाउ आई एम ऑल्सो द अर्निंग मेंबर ऑफ माई फैमिली, तब लगता है कि यस दिस इज द रियल जीत उत्सव. Today, as we all are celebrating the victory of our dear children, right? So I would ask my lovely children, what we have to do for becoming a winner? क्या करना पड़ता है जीतने के लिए? Anybody can answer? Hard work. Very good. More answers? Practice. Very good. Study, hard work, practice. और कोई? Learn maths. Very good. ये तो बहुत जरूरी है. So from the answers of you all, I can summarize that success has no shortcut, right? You have put in so much hard work in to reach here today. All of you have put in so much hard work to reach here today, right? Was it easy? No, it was not easy. But you all made it easy with your efforts, perseverance, and hard work. You all took the challenge 4 years. This year, Olympiad was even more tough than the last year. Last year, there were 100 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. But this year, 100 questions were to be solved in just 20 minutes. Same number of questions, but 10 minutes less time. Last year it was 30 minutes, this year it was 20 minutes, right? Maybe next year 15 minutes, so be ready. So you all were able to do it. How? Through your determination only. When we announced, so many students were like, ma'am 20 minutes में कैसे होगा? But कैसे होगा की चाबी सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके पास है students. Trust me, if you have done it, then you can do anything. I am really proud of all the children present here. Keep shining, keep winning, keep rocking my champion. When we were children, we did not learn abacus. We did not play badminton. We did not do coding. We did not get the opportunity to join singing, dancing, other performing arts. But today, our children have this opportunity. Am I right? Yes. They can acquire all these skills. So parents, we should make our children skillful. Spend time to explore the interests and talents in your children. Give them a platform. Along with the academics, we should develop a skill set in our children. That will make them a confident person. हर सपने को अपनी सांसों में रखो, हर मंजिल को अपनी बाहों में रखो. ये चीज तुम्हारी है, बस अपने सपनों को अपनी निगाहों में रखो. Where Renathon is today is just because of everyone associated to Renathon, especially our parent fraternity, stars of Renathon Galaxy, our students, and our hardworking team of teachers. So on the ending note, I would just invoke the Bhagavad Gita shloka for all of you. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतु धूर्माते संगो अस्वकर्मणि. What does it mean? It means we should just do our efforts and we should not think about the end result, right? So tell me, what are the duties of the students? To study, right? To do hard work, to improve nothing. Very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Being disciplined, right? To study, to do hard work, being disciplined. And also पढ़ाई के साथ आपको जो स्पोर्ट्स या कुछ और अच्छा लगता है वो भी थोड़ा थोड़ा करना, राइट? जो भी अच्छा लगता है, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, स्पोर्ट्स, बैडमिंटन, क्रिकेट, व्हाटएवर. That's it. Don't think about the end result. Don't think एग्जाम में कैसा स्कोर होगा. Don't think will my teacher appreciate me for good work, good project or not. Don't think whether I will win a trophy in Abacus Olympiad or not. But think that I have to do the hard work, I have to study, and I have to be disciplined, right? I have to give my best efforts for everything. And trust me, if you do this, then end result is always going to be greatest. So, may Krishna always be the guiding light for all of us.